guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get your cat to hang out with you outside of the house in Heartopia, like outside of your house. So to do that, you will need to get a cat that is one, sociable, and two, clingy. So the most important personality trait they have would be the social one first, and then the clingy one second. As you can see, my pet Rocket is both sociable and clingy. He is literally the only cat. Did I say Rocket or raccoon? Okay, anyways, Rocket is the only cat that would climb on top of my head when I'm AFK on this game. So when I alt tab for a few minutes, he is the only cat that would literally go on top of my head without me to without me asking to go out with this pet. So before buying a cat just based off of looks, make sure you kind of look at their personalities as well. If they are sociable and clingy, it's very easy to hang out with them. I have hung out with one of my other cats before as well, but it was very hard to get her to hang out with me. And she is unsociable, but I think I have gone out with her once and that's it. I've never gone out with her anymore because she is unsociable and it is very hard to get her to get out of the house. So if you want to pick a pet that you can go out with, make sure they are sociable. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!